Previously on the CryptoFace channel. I believe that Bitcoin is moving to the upside. I'm not betting the farm, but I'm betting some cattle.
Fuck you peanut! You fucking peanut!
Gold. Let's talk about it. You might not be into gold, but I am. Most gold that is still available is $2,000 an ounce or more. I repeat, $2,000 an ounce or more. In fact, okay, let's see here. We have 1 ounce of a Mickey Mouse gold coin for $2,100. Oh, here's another Mickey Mouse gold coin, $2,200. A South Korean Gallus medallion, doesn't matter. When you go to the pawn shop to sell it, they give you the melt price. Mickey Mouse shit doesn't matter.
Listen! We should listen to Daniel Pena! Daniel Pena! Fuck it, I'm out! I'm going to grocery store, I gotta get some goddamn toilet paper, I could've made 10 grand more! I gotta settle for 26,000? For 26,000? Well, you know what, Dan Pena? I got a Pena. Yeah, Pena in my ass, Dan. Yeah, Pena. Yeah, Pena. I'm gonna start, that's what I'm gonna call you shitters. They say, hey, shitter, you fucking Pena. You fucking Pena. Oh, shit's hitting the fan, folks. Shit is hitting the fan. Shit's hitting the fan. Everybody run! I was wrong! Everybody's wrong! I said everybody wrong! I was wrong! Yeah, we're wrong! We're all gonna die! We're all gonna die!
I don't know how long oil is going to stay at these low levels. I don't really care what's going on with OPEC and Arabia against Russia because these things happen. And what I know is, even if it goes down to what everyone's coming out saying it's going to go to $9, $10, we'll see about that. But if it does, I'll be there. Hello, friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace. And let us not kid ourselves, for these are exciting times. For the right mind. Have no fear. Because I am your friend, and I am here. One thing the past good few weeks have taught me with my mother, which I very much appreciate all of your hopes and prayers for. I very much do. And it's something I've spoken about times before, but there is no purpose of living life if we do not enjoy the good memories and learn from the bad. This week, Whale Crew, my people, my favorite people, my Whale Crew and my market ciphers. In the Whale Crew, what day was this? April 6th, 3/31, March 31st. It was the beginning. 6-hour time frame, ascending triangle, as was tradition with everyone else. What we were looking for was for the price to come up and just hang in the 67, 68, 6900s. And the longer that even if it just went sideways, the longer it hung there, the more bullish, because this is a pattern we have seen before. And when it chills at the top, it goes up to the next channel. This happened. We were looking to enter somewhere in here, yada, yada, yada. Personally, I actually, we were long macro, long a couple times micro. I exited early on my higher leveraged account because I had personal life to attend to. But my low leverage and also, I guess you could say holding accounts or Bitcoin or whatever, everything was great. Great. Now, let's talk about a couple things outside of Market Cipher. 2 reasons why I believe that my video where I said 5, 6, 7 days ago that we can go to 8, 9K, and I still believe that to this day. 2 reasons outside of Market Cipher I want to give you. Oh, by the way, we were in gold. We've been long on gold forever. 1650. Gold's gonna keep going. Okay, oil. Our stock group, everything, buying oil at $20 a barrel. You bet your ass we've been. Bet your ass. Now you might say, oh, it's only $24. Oh, but from $20 to $24 is 20%, asshole. %. That's why I said if oil goes down to $10, $5, $1, I'll be there. And it's paying off already, folks. And the lower it is, the sweeter it is. If you get in at oil at $3, or if you didn't, you got it at $6, the difference of an oil at $3 to $6, that's 100% gain. From $3 to $6 is a 100% gain. Every dollar counts when the price is this low. With an asset that can go to $100 like that with OPEC and these Saudis. Gold, Mickey Mouse, you don't need me to explain that. Anyways, back on track. Now, pull up a different chart first of Bitcoin before I go there. It is my belief that what we are forming is potentially a parabola, a parabolic move to the upside. Now, how this works is when the price curves, comes up, shoots straight up, bang. That's when the sell-off happens. So what we do is draw. Now, okay, when I move this, it screws it up. So I'm trying to keep it frozen here. Connect the dots, right? First we... For Pete's sake. Lord have mercy. Come on, darn it. Connect the dots. Now, we want to turn this into a full circle. We draw the circle. When the circle goes to the straight up point, that's where we look for it to end. Now, this is just one reason. Now, we're going to keep adjusting our circle. It could be wider. It could be shorter. This is my guesstimation estimation as of the current time. But wait. What has everyone been saying about gaps? These gaps all the way down, the gaps get filled, and you know what? Damn it, they're right. There is a CME gaping gap at the very same price. That's right. It's right here. It's right here. 9,200 or it's 9,200, 9,155. And even if we hit it for 1 second, I'll be there. Will you be, or will you be square? Or maybe you don't care. What we do in our community, we move like the tortoise and the hare at the same damn time. Why? Because we can, and we know that it is foolish to have one trading account. One account where you make all your trades on Bybit. Boy. Girl. If you don't have at least 2 accounts for different trading styles so you do not conflict yourself, you are making it much harder. For example, I missed a good chunk of this move from 6,800 to 73, 7,400 on one account. And yes, it stung, but I have real life shit to deal with. But you know what? Do you know why I don't care? I cannot care like the tortoise and still be a strong hare is because I have 2 accounts that are square. So I'll take 2 out of 3. And get ready for the next solid entry. Boy, I tell you what, the 30-minute in this trend since March, mid-March, whenever it dips into the red, if you just longed and bought in the red, 4,900, she goes up. Bought in the red, 5,300, she went up. Bought in the red, 6,200, came down a little bit. What did she then do? Was still in the red. Still in the red. Came back up. We'll even call this a 0. Bought in the red. Boom, went up. Red. Boom, went up. We're close. Close. We could say a lot right now. I could say so much, but it doesn't need to be said. We all know everyone's going crazy. If you are successful, your phone's blowing up of people asking you for loans, asking you for jobs, asking you for help, asking you for advice. I'm sure many of you know. I'm sure many of you are people who have lost their jobs, gotten your pay cut, or maybe not. While everyone else is scattered, it just takes a little bit of common sense, patience, and you do not have to choose to be a tortoise or a hare. You are a human, and God gave us the ability to have the characteristics of both, have the choice. You were lucky enough to be born not a tortoise or a hare, but a man or a woman. And we too can be tortoise and hare at the same time. When I go to sleep, I set up protections. When you go to sleep, if you're in a trade, you better protect your ass. Stop losses. And you do not have to have your whole trade go out in one stop loss. I never, if I have a $700,000 trade, $1 million position, I do not have one stop loss market exit for $700K. I'm splitting that shit up to 3 or 4. So think a little bit, just a little bit outside the box, and you'll be fine. Macro. Taking a look at the weekly. Let's do a little market cipher, quick breakthrough. Looking at the weekly, we might be pinching off here. Anchor, trigger. Might be moving to the upside here. Let's enhance. 5-day. Little in the red. We are breaching into the red, but we see VWAP has come up. We are in that sling pattern where we dump down, get sling up. We have momentum to the upside. Again, I am not saying, I do not believe at all that we're going to go up to $100,000 right now. I'm just looking to wet my beak and take what the market gives me to this 9K area or close. 8, 9, 10K, I'll take if it's better. Little wins, little losses, and big wins. That is our trading style. Shout out to my boy Shu. Stole that quote from him. The way we trade, we have little wins, little losses, and big wins. The 3-day, still looking the same, beautiful money flow, breaking to the upside. 2-day, beautiful money flow, breaking to the upside. Daily, me. I think I got my point across. By the way, the 15, 30 second, 5 second trades have been so fun. So I'm not going to say what anyone should do or what you should do. Whoops. But what I'm doing, I have another account just to have fun when I'm sitting down because I love Market Cipher. Market Cipher on these small time frames, on these second time frames are so fun. Still check your mirrors and shit. But it's just fun seeing the little gains and seeing how much I can make just off a seconds chart. I don't make signals really based on this or nothing. This is just something I do kind of for time in between. Other than that, good luck. Godspeed. Take this time. The market, I believe the market has bottomed. They're starting to say on the news that economies are starting to crank the gears again. Everyone knows they're tired of being home. Everyone knows. I'm longing everything. stock markets, standard markets. It's time. It is time. That's what I'm doing. What are you doing?
Yeah, piña.